Yo! Like, I know how to cook, yeah? But I need to know how to chef it. Hey, Ringo! It's 24-hour kitchen, I'm cooking with Ringo Vision. I've seen it on television, looking like he's on a mission. Cooked the perfect family dinner, and I only had to listen. Give me every measurement and everything that I was missing. I needed rice, I needed peas, I needed chicken. My belly started rumbling, the food was finger licking. The food was falling off the bowl and ready for the picking. Ringo had the vision with 24-hour kitchen. 24-hour kitchen.
Yes, everybody, you know what time it is. It's Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen. Welcome everybody to a new episode. Look at everyone. Look what I got on today. I got the bourgeois snapper, you know. Yeah, man, a good vibe. So today, people, yeah, we're gonna roast this snapper here in a different style, and we're gonna have a drink. Yeah, we're gonna have a drink today, people, yeah, and drink some champagne. So you see my champagne today, people? Look at that, I caught that. You see my champagne today, everyone? A bit of honey, a bit of spring water, and a one lime. 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. We cut out all of the classes, people. Come have a look, come have a look. Yeah, man, see the old setup there, people. So you know, so we got the yam, the coco, the okra, the spinach, the tomato, the scotch bonnet pepper, the lettuce. A bad boy meal I go on today, people. Yeah, man, we're there. We're outside, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And big up all my people them out there in the world on YouTube, you know. I remember saying it's a Jamaican vibration, originally cooking on a coal fire. Cause they want to go on. You see the people them out here? They really want me to there, you know. And I cook outside and them park, you know. So yeah, I do a disposable barbecue tray where I can't get in no trouble and I can't get in no trouble. So I like to build up the fire with the wood. More time I've been getting complaints everyone, so I'm just using a portable disposable barbecue tray. Yeah, man, we're there. Yes, everyone, so look, it's simple. My lime there. Good vibes. Yeah, man, champagne vibes. Just mix that round. And you think a joke? Yeah, man, happy Jamaica independence. The 6th of August. Yeah, man, we just done celebrate that yesterday. Now we're in today. The now. A good vibe. Cheers, YouTube. Respect and thank you for all the subscribers and all the support. Everybody that's been supporting me in this journey. I really do appreciate every single thing that you guys are doing. All the comments, all the likes, all the shares. Continue to do that, everybody. Cheers. Yes, everyone, as you can see, my coal is going to white. So I'm gonna put my pot on the fire now and just make it start to, you understand? Make the water start to boil up. Then I can start to peel my food to put into the water. Yeah, man, then I can start to just season up. Yeah, man, my fish is ready. I just need to season it up. You understand? Wrap it up in this foil paper here. Cut up all of the okra, the spinach, and the scotch bonnet pepper. All of this here, the tomato and the lettuce and the cucumber. That's for later, everyone. Yeah, man, people, don't forget to order your 24-hour kitchen all-purpose seasoning mix, people. Yeah, are good vibes. The outside. Yes, everyone, so what's gonna happen now, yeah? I'm gonna just lightly season my snapper. Put a bit of seasoning in the head of it. Rub my seasoning in. Yes, people, don't forget to order your 24-hour kitchen all-purpose seasoning mix. Yes, it's the one to have in your cupboard, everybody. And you know, so we're just doing a natural, rubbing the seasoning in, and I'm not cutting off any of the fins because it's the beauty of the fish. I'm gonna leave that beauty of the fish there, everyone. So yes, as you see, We've got the seasoning on the outside, sprinkle a bit of seasoning on the inside, everybody. Yeah man, it's a good vibe. So then my next process is to cut up my okra. So we're gonna cut up the okra nice and like this. And our spinach as well, we're gonna cut up the spinach like this as well. I'm gonna just stuff it all inside in just a little while. Yeah man, a good vibes, 24-hour kitchen. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Natural Jamaican style cooking people. Yeah man, we're outside, I cook on a coal fire because, you know, so I grew up and I see my great grandparents, them, a wood fire, I grew up I see them I cook on, yeah man, back home in Jamaica. Yeah, so we're just using that same style there and we're not let it go. So good vibes. So look at this, come and have a look. You can see that I'm just stuffing my vegetable inside of the fish. With the okra and everything. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut up the Scotch bonnet pepper, cause you know, say you can't. I deal with the fish people and you don't have the pepper in there, kick off. So I'm gonna put some of the pepper in the head, stuff some of the pepper in the belly, get all that stuff in, there, all inside the fish, everybody. Yeah man, good vibes. Stuffed up. Get some tomato going as well. I'm going to finish it off and stuff it with some tomato. Juice, when it's cooked and it's softened, all that juice, all that tomato juice, you understand? The flavour just, you understand? Just run through it, get some of it in the head there as well. Good vibes. Simple process. What I'm going to do now, look at that everyone. So I'm just going to wrap the fish. So it's going to get, that's the first wrap there. Then I'm going to fold over. So let me show you what I'm going to do. So it's going to get a fold over like that. It's going to get a fold over like that. Then I'm going to bring this over. Then I'm going to turn it over. Next fold. And what I'll do is, I'll just do that twice. And that will just secure, because you know when the heat actually goes on this foil paper, I don't want the heat to burn through the foil paper. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to give that a double wrap. Actually, I'm going to give it one more. Coming. Let's check out our fire. Simple. That's it. It's as simple as that, everyone. So I'm gonna leave it on each side for about 10 minutes on each side, and then I'm gonna turn it. And then I'm gonna give it maybe another 5 minutes on each side, because it's fish and there's a lot of heat going through there. So I'll keep on checking on it just to see how it's doing, to see if it's all cooked and nice and fleshy and the flavors are coming out, everyone. But my next process now is simple. Come and have a look and see the bubbles coming out of the pan, how hot it is right now. So I'm just gonna start peeling my yam. And this is a hard food, and it's the same. You deal with it just like how you deal with a boiled potato or Irish potato. You peel it, you make sure that your pan of water is piping hot and bubbling, and then your next stage is to just put it in. And then you continue to check it again throughout the process, just to check the texture, see if it's gotten soft. And you know that when your yam is soft and ready, you know that's ready for consumption. So, and it does, a yam don't take long to boil as well. You start to notice when it's kind of ready. Come and listen to the sizzling from the fish. Bring the camera in a bit closer so you can hear it. Can you hear the sizzling? Yes, everybody. So as you can hear that things are going. Yeah, man, things are going through the cook. So this one again on the program, everybody. We brought back the Jamaican coco. It is one of my favorite hard food, along with the dasheen. I haven't banged dasheen on the program yet, but the coco is one of my favorite. And because, yeah man, today we're making a personal meal, and this is what I feel for, nice Sunday vibration. So this video will be coming out in the Monday week coming, everybody. Yeah man, I've good vibes. So you know what I'm saying, I'm out here, I'm working, I've got a lot of other videos to edit as well that I'm in the editing doing. So our next thing, we're completing season 4, going into season 5, everybody. So yeah man, you know season 5 is going to be intact with a lot of adventure, outdoor cooking, and I'm not going to give you all the rest of it. Yellow yam, you see that? So we got our yellow yam, everybody. So a yellow yam is the next one that I enjoy from Jamaica. It's an expensive one as well now. You see these Caribbean hard food and imported products that we get from Africa and Jamaica, the good food that we want to eat, it's so expensive to be here in the Western world, everybody. I'm letting you know that this can't grow in England. It doesn't grow here. The cocoa doesn't grow here. So you know that all of these food that you see me cooking on the program, yes, I have to go to the market and make sure that I get, it's an import. And because it's an import, they want to charge you a week's wages for the local bit of food, you know, that Mother Nature is producing. So I have good vibes anyway. Yellow yam. Watch that. Good vibes. Come and have a look in the pot and you can see what I go on. See, sister, everything gone in the water right now. Yeah man, and I forward the cooking I forward right now, not everyone. So let me just tip out some of that water there. Yeah man. Look at that, everyone. There's not much to see because our fish is just covered up in the foil paper and I can't open it up yet, everyone. So yeah man, this is what it is. It's a simple thing today, people, yeah, but I'm telling you, when we open up, we're gonna see what's in our surprise. All right, look at that. So you know, so we got our food boiling up now. The water's starting to heat up again. Our good vibes. The rest of our ingredients there. Yeah man, a little glass of champagne there as well, people. Yeah man, we're there, we're outside. Good vibes. Wow, go on everybody. Yeah man, we're there man. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. You know, say being a Jamaican, it's just right and natural for you guys to always be seeing Ringo outside You understand? Just in the environment, cooking up. You understand? So today, I went to the fishmongers and I said, wow, what kind of fish do I want to get? And I said, and looking at all these big fishes, and I said, yeah. I said, what's the name of that fish, boss man? And he said, it's a bourgeois snapper. And I said, wow, that big one there. And I was like, okay, then I'm going to get that bourgeois snapper. And that's how we got this big red snapper here on the grill right now. Yeah, man, I mean, just I drink some champagne, said where people, yeah. And I tell you, say, life is simple, you know. It's not about the extravagantness. You can do things in a simple fashion, a simple manner. You don't have to go to the extreme and go all out. You understand? Yeah, man, just link Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen, man. You need a proper catering, link Ringo Vision 24-hour kitchen. Cause we're there, we are putting in a work. You know, say it's Jamaican independence, so you know, say I'm representing, wearing my colours. A virgin of mine's brought this back from Uganda for me, so yeah, man, big him up, a good vibes. And then my mum now, she banged this bracelet back for me from Jamaica. Big her up, bless her up as well, bless up mumsy as well. Yeah, man, the whole way there, man. Yeah, man, it's a good vibes, man, outside. Ah, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. That's what man's waiting for. That. Bubble in the pot and now say I cook where I cook, I don't know, joke thing. Look at that, everybody. Yeah, man. I wish I could show you right now inside of the foil paper, but yeah, man, about 10 minutes and then yeah, we're gonna lock off and then open up the thing and serve up. I can't wait for serving time. Yes, everyone, listen. I need all of you guys here to support the thing, and I got the seasoning them, yeah, all your seasoning, got the seasoning them, everybody, all-purpose mix by Ringo Vision, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision. You know, say this one good for everything, yeah, it's got all-purpose for all fish, all meat, all vegetable. You can't go wrong with the thing, man. Oh, you know, if you have the seasoning and your thing. Yeah, I just thought, let me just come over here. If I look at environment by the pond here, people, to see where I go on. Yeah, man, while the food I cook. See if there's any fishes in there. Yes, everybody, look, so look. Get your all-purpose seasoning mix. 24-hour kitchen, all-purpose mix, people, yeah. Order this one, I'm shipping it all over the world. Where do you live? Where you come from? You're in Africa, you're in the Caribbean, you're in Europe, you're in the Americas, you're over in Asia. Yeah, man, I'll get it to you quick and fast. Yeah, man, we've got them now. Everything's packaged up. In the Monday week coming, I'm gonna be just dealing with some orders and sending out some orders. I would like all my people them that's here, that cook, that enjoy the cooking channel, that's always cooking at home in the kitchen. Get one of these, man. As well as you've got your own flavor, but you know, every time you use this, you're gonna be like, yeah, that's that taste that Ringo's dealing with. Let me go and try out Ringo's taste. So get one in your kitchen and get the Ringo taste in your kitchen, people, yeah? Cause we're there, we're outside. Good vibes, man. All right. That. Time to turn the fish over. So what I've done now, everyone, yeah, I've cut up a bit of the spinach and the okra and I put on top to let it just steam down because the hard food is almost boiled out and cooked. So yeah, man, so what I'm gonna do now, just make that go on, steam down with the food, and that can be like a next little type of vegetable to eat up with the fish as well, with the vegetable that's cooking up and steaming down inside of the fish, people. Let me show you what I want. A joke, damn it. You have to wait. You know, so I just feel a vibe saying nothing I go to waste, you know, so you don't know what now. All the tomato that I peel and leave, yeah, I just go and leave that and rest that on top of that, yeah. I just make that go and steam up as well, cause a good vibe, man. Nothing wrong with that, people, yeah. Alright. See there? Yeah, man. Outside. Nah, nothing really now got to waste now, cause guess what I said I'm gonna do, yeah? I said I'm gonna just wrap this, the last little vegetable, yeah, wrap it up in the foil paper. Once I wrap it up in the foil paper now, before I go and deal with this. This I got feed up on as well, so before I go and deal with this. Wrap up the vegetable now that's left over. I'm just gonna put this on the fire, just let it just go and roast slowly by itself. Let some heat take it. Yeah man, and you know, so good vibes. You're there. Good vibes. Outside. Yes everyone, as you can see, coming a bit closer. Look at that. So let me just test out. Yeah. So everything's nice and soft. Look at the okra. Look how soft the okra is. The tomatoes on top. Yeah man. Let's check out our fish. Have a look everyone. So this is gonna be the first time I'm revealing the package. Coming closer so everyone can see what I go on. And to say, yeah, the thing really I get revealed, so let me reveal it. I hope that it's cooked. Alright everyone. So yeah man, so that's our bourgeois snapper. So as you can see that the grill was kinda hot right there in that center there, but look, as we're going through, we see say yeah man, the fish nice and soft. And the vegetables inside, nice and soft everyone. So let's just do a serving right now because that's where we're at. It's ready. It's ready. So I'm going to remove right now this pet bubble. This one try that. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. So yes everyone, so I'm just adding the finishing touch. A good vibes, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision everybody. Yeah man, you know say we're there and it's a healthy vibration. It's a roast fish people with our hard food. And this is the platter that we're creating people. Yeah man, we're there, we're outside. You know say it's a good vibe. Yeah man. And all I'm gonna do towards the end, have a look. I'm just gonna add a bit of lemon. And I got one final ingredient, everybody. One final ingredient. Let me put my glass of champagne there. let's just cover up for 1 second because these flies are terrible. Alright everybody, so you know say you need the avocado to go with the fish. So what's gonna happen right now, I'm just gonna set the mood and now say add in the avocado people. Yes, everybody, respect 24-hour kitchen cooking with Ringo Vision. Yeah, man, it's a vibration. And you know, say we got our glass of champagne and we're there. We're outside. So what I'm gonna do right now, everybody, I'm just gonna tuck in. So it's simple. Gonna move location because the fly them move terrible. So follow me now. Car. Yes, everybody say you never see a meal eat. I want to sit down around the table so you know say a good vibes, a roast fish. You know what I'm saying? Got some yellow yam, coco, spinach. Yeah man, the whole works there man. So look at our people. So what I'm gonna do is come a little bit closer. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna break off a bit of this fish. Get a bit of this fish, bit of this flesh here. You see that? And try it with a bit of avocado. Everybody, thank you very much for staying tuned with this episode. I'll see you again very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and what? Subscribe, people. And don't forget to hit me up. I'm selling seasoning all the way across the road. All the way to anywhere you're there, the seasoning is gonna reach you as long as you put in that order. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Goodbye.
Come on.
Yes, everybody, as you can see, look at that. Yeah, man.
We're gonna go get a enjoyment watch it.
Yeah, look. So
come on.
People have to come and try the food. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. People wanted to come and try the food. We're there. We're outside.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Feedback.
No, it tastes amazing. Honestly, it's so fresh.
It's nice.
Yeah, Moses there so with me for the whole time. You know?
The whole time,
Yes. Is it worth waiting for? Yes, my family. Come on, man. Yeah, come on.
We're down this side.
So look, as you can see, yeah, everyone, yeah, the fish is stuffed. So we haven't got to the belly of the fish yet, where all the niceness is all stuffed inside of the spinach and the okra and the tomatoes and that. Look at that, lovely. Yeah, man, good vibes.
Feels nice, man. Nice and refreshing, you know?
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing.
Mo, you gonna try this?
Yeah, I didn't.
Mo, you wanna try it?
Wow.
Yeah, let me try.
Really? I like that.
There you go.
This is Chef my Ringo Levy.
Yes, everybody, today was a good one. And I think a joke. Champagne glass, drink off. You see, the whole of the food. Yeah, man, good vibes, everybody, man. You don't know, say we're there, 24-hour kitchen, cooking with Ringo Vision people. Yeah, man, it's always a joy to be outside. Yeah, man, don't forget to what? Like, comment, and what? Subscribe. Every time, people. Look at that sunshine there. Sun's made a star, you know, for Ringo Vision, you know, and for everybody that's watching right now. See that? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, everyone. So I'm gonna check so we did finish. Let me show you the last of what we had left. So let's review this one here. And you can see what I've won. Look at that. So we've got our steamed spinach, everybody, with a 24-hour kitchen seasoning mix. Nice. Got some spinach there. So yeah man, so we got our next meal, which is some spinach. Look at that, simple. The spinach that was left in the foil paper with some hard food, people. So you know, so more consumption of food that go on in our place, people. Yeah man, we're there. Outside, good vibes. Alright, so yeah man, a good vibes. So you see, so we're there. So we're done, so we just have one feed up. Mad shit, you know. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cause we're there. See you later, everyone. Yes, everybody, you know, so champagne, a drink and everything there, you know, so we're there, you know, so good vibes, you know, so 24 hours, you know, so the thing don't stop. And you know, so when we say 24 hours, I mean 12 hours, you know, or 6 hours, I mean 24 hours, I mean like we add our 12 hours upon it. So sometimes we get 36 hours, sometimes we get our 48 hours, because the thing double up, people. And I know joke thing to the thing, people. We just want to do a like, comment and subscribe, because we're on a mad journey right now, people, and we just percentages in. And when we say percentages in, we don't reach 10% yet. And look how we have covered the ground. You see people and I drink champagne. So said way people, yeah, thank you for 2,000 subscribers as well, everybody, yeah, because the thing I work. And me I work, and everybody that's looking right now, I put in some work, and I like up the thing, and I subscribe up the thing, and that's the right thing, because media say, you know, see it, you know, and a natural vibes, you know, Jamaican vibration, African vibration. Yeah man, a one love and a one nation now, and a one art now, one identity, you know. Yeah man, me see you next time, people. Yeah? Outside.